Do you get this error message in your Volvo? Then there's a good chance that the Volvo On Call battery is dead. It's a small battery located inside the control unit, and when it dies, Volvo On Call stops working. A lot of people leave the car into a garage to get this fixed, but in this video I'll show you how to save a lot of money by replacing it yourself. On this 2017 V90, the battery is located under the boot floor. Lift this up and remove this cover. And all the way in there you can see the vehicle communication module. And to remove it you have these 4 latches. One over here, one here, and one here, and the last one over here. And if you want to, you can remove all the cables and take the whole VCM out. Or you can just remove this little small cover, and here you can see the battery. If you're not sure which battery you need, you can easily see and find the part number here. Be careful and press the latch on the battery cable. The pins on the board can easily break, so push it out gently and then you can remove the battery. Sådär. And here's the new battery, and if you need one you can find it linked down in the description. And as you can see, it's a pretty quick and easy fix to do this yourself, as long as you can locate the VCM, which is this little control unit. For example, on the XC60 it's located above the glove box. But let's put this one in and delete the fault codes. Now it's time to remove the fault code. I'm using our iCarsoft CR Max. It's a great diagnostic tool that we sell. We have a few different models and you can find more information through the link in the description. We start by going into diagnostics and choosing Volvo. Now it connects to the Bluetooth dongle and we read the VIN number and click OK. We already know which module we need, so we're going straight for the VCM. Vehicle Communication Module. And here you can see the currently stored fault codes. Now let's go back and erase the codes. And here you can see no saved fault codes. And one thing that's good to know is that if you still get your error message, you might have to go to Volvo to get your software update for that control unit. But Volvo On Call will now work even if you get the error message in the display, and you saved a lot of money by replacing the battery yourself. And if you want more tips for your Volvo, subscribe to this channel because there's a lot coming. Click up here to see another video from us.